Mm-hmm. Here you go, Chloe. Give me a stick. Go get the stick. Good girl. Go get the stick. Good girl. Good girl. Let go of the stick. Go get the stick. Oh, don't step on me, she says. Go get the stick. This is what we deal with now. Thanks for the dog. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl, Mama. Good girl. You brought the stick back. Oh, danger! Danger! I pushed the wrong button. You tell her, Lucy.